Xiaomi launched its first foldable phone back in 2021, named the Mi Mix Fold. And while it was the company's very first attempt at a foldable phone, it had some innovative features. The phone was launched with the largest folding display on any foldable phone at that time, and it was the first phone with the liquid lens technology. Then last year we got the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2, which was the slimmest foldable phone at its launch. The company is now all set to launch its third folding phone, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3. The launch is taking place on the 14th of August, and today the CEO shared the official images of the phone, giving us our best look at the design so far. As we can see, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 has at least two color options, black and gold. The black color option has a leather texture on the back, whereas the gold color option is reported to have a ceramic back. The CEO posted these images with a caption that says slim, elegant and premium. So it means the Mix Fold 3 will have the thickness as one of the highlights, just like the last year's Mix Fold 2. The camera module looks different this time, and so there is now a quad camera setup compared to a triple camera setup. We can also see that one of the cameras is a periscope camera, so this makes it one of the few foldable phones in the market with a periscope camera. The camera module has the Leica branding and also some information on the focal length and the aperture. The minimum focal length in this quad camera setup is 15mm, so that is the focal length of the ultra-wide lens. The maximum focal length is 115mm, which is the focal length of the periscope camera. This periscope camera should offer 5x optical zoom. As for the aperture, the minimum aperture in this quad camera setup is f1.8, whereas the maximum is f2.9. And while it may sound weird, one of the design upgrades is that Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 has a selfie camera on the inside. The last year's Mix Fold 2 did not have a selfie camera for the foldable display, so you could not take selfies or make video calls while using the foldable screen. The spec sheet is not yet confirmed, even though there are a lot of leaks and rumors. Some rumors even say that the phone has a 1-inch Sony IMX989 sensor for the primary camera, the same as on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. If that is true, then it would be quite interesting to see such a large camera sensor on a foldable phone. Also, we won't be surprised if Mix Fold 3 launches with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. And finally, there are reports that the Mix Fold 3 will not launch outside the Chinese market, just like the previous foldable phones by Xiaomi. So, what do you think of the design? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.